This translation says the burnt offering is a food offering.
Yeah, that's right. Some Bibles call it a food offering. What does your other Bible say?
It says an offering by fire.
Yeah, offering by fire, food offering. It's all related to the next words.
A pleasing aroma.
That's the key ingredient. Almost every time you see the words food offering, it becomes a pleasing aroma to the Lord.
So God smells the roasting meat and it smells good.
Yeah, but not only meat, the grain offering is a pleasing aroma, and it's called a food offering too.
So God loves the smell of roasting grain and roasting meat. But does he eat it?
Well, no, God doesn't need to be fed, but the idea behind an offering is participation in a communal meal.
Right. So God gets all of the burnt offering as a food offering. What about the other offerings?
Well, Ezekiel talks about kitchens in the temple where the Levites cook their food. It says they boil the guilt and the sin offerings and bake the grain offerings.
So an offering's kind of like an act of hospitality where the whole community gets to participate in the meal.
God gets his bit, the priests get their bit. Sometimes the offerer takes some home for his family. Everyone is sharing in the same meal.
Sharing a meal with God. Were you going to share that?